Hello, assalamu alaikum, and you're watching my YouTube channel. And in this video, we will study JavaScript assignment operators. Okay, in our last video, we studied JavaScript arithmetic operators, and today we will study assignment operators. There are many type of operators in JavaScript, and we will study all of them in different videos. So in this video, we will look at assignment operators. So what are assignment operators? Actually, these assignment operators are used to assign values to JavaScript variables, right? So here we have the table of JavaScript assignment operators, and actually this is the way to write them in shorthand, right? So on the left column here in operator, and then we have example, and then same as means this in the middle is an example of shorthand, and what they actually mean is we are showing them in same as column. So equal to sign, as you know, most common operator, assignment operator. When we write it x is equal to y, the value here is assigned to this variable x. So this x can be a variable, or it can be fixed value or number, right? So whatever, like we can say x is equal to 5, so 5 will be the value assigned to this variable x. Next, we have many operators here. See here, this is plus. Equal to means x is equal to x plus y. Minus plus equal to means x is equal to x minus y. So these are in the middle, these are shorthand. Then we have steric equal to means x power y, right? Then we have division operator. Then we have remainder division, right? X percentage sign y. Then we have shift left operator, shift right operator. Then we have unsigned shift right operator. Then we have bitwise operators, these and x and y, x XOR y bitwise, and x or y bitwise operator. Then we have something new here, star star equal to, or static equal. This is used for exponentiation, x star star x static y, right? So this is a list of assignment operators in JavaScript. So let's look at some examples which are most commonly used in JavaScript programming. So let's look at examples here. We have this, as I told you, the equal to sign assignment operator is the most commonly used. And it assigns a value to a variable. Just let's look at this example here. Here we have this let x is equal to 10, this variable, and then we are assigning it to this paragraph or p tag as inner HTML using this line document.get element by id and demo.inner.html is equal to x, right? So this h10 is displayed here. So if I change this value to maybe 12 and run the code again, so see the value is changing and becomes 12. Okay, next we have plus equal to means operator. This is a shorthand way to write x is equal to x plus y, as we have seen in an example above. And let's look at this in detail. Here we have this. See here, let x is equal to 10. We have assigned a value 10 to x. Then we are saying x plus equal to 5. It means x is equal to x plus 5. It means we are adding 5 to 10 and it becomes 15. And when we assign this value or display this value, it shows us 15. So if I make it like 15 here, it should become 25, and see here it has become 25. Okay, next we look at another assignment operator where we have minus equal to assignment operator subtracts a value from a variable. Let x is equal to 10 and x is equal to This is similar example as before with the which we did with the plus equal to. This we have minus equal to, where x is equal to x minus 5 will be executed, will be the result. So 5 will be subtracted from 10. If I make it 1, the answer should be 9. See here, it's 9. Okay, so next we have this multiplication. We are multiplying here, as you know, we have let x is equal to 10 and x star equal to 5, means x is equal to x multiplied by 5. So 10 multiplied by 5 is 50, so the result is 50 displayed here. If I make it 4, what should be the answer? I believe 40. So let's see, is 40. Okay, so this is how it is used. Next we have assignment. This slash equal to assignment divides a variable. So here we are dividing 10 by 5, so answer will be 2. If I divide 10 by like 2, the answer should be 5. Okay, and the last one we have, the example we have is this assignment operator, which is shows the remainder. So here, so let's look at this example. See here, in let x is equal to 5, then x is equal to x percentage 5. It means when we divide 10 by 5, the answer should be a remainder. So actually we know that when we divide 10 by 5, there is no remainder, so the answer should be 0. Okay, right. So let's try this with 8. Let's see what happens. See here, when we divide 10 by 8, the remainder is 2, so we have 2 here. So that's all. I'll wrap up my video here. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. I believe the video has been informative for you. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and colleagues. I'll be back with another video very soon. Take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.